Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily put a microSD card inside your REOLINK D340P. So first, here we have the SD card, as you guys can see. Now we need to turn the doorbell around, and as you guys can see, there's a place for a microSD card. So what we need to do is follow the instruction of placing it just like this, and now try and put it. As you guys can see, now it's right in here, and that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.